The health benefits of beet juice. 1. Beets are a root vegetable which are grown all over the world. It is commonly used in cooking delicious meals and as a natural medicine. 2. Beet juice can be made by simply blending beets and straining through a sieve to extract the fibres. 3. This is one of the healthiest juices for detoxing the body, as it contains some powerful phytonutrients which help to cleanse the liver and internal organs. Rare phytonutrients called betaines help to reduce a fatty liver. 4. These phytonutrients also have a positive effect on the heart and cardiovascular system. They relax the arteries and increase blood flow. This balances blood pressure in the process. 5. Simply adding beet juice into your diet on a daily basis will help your body to flush out toxins and purify the blood. 6. You can also make beet juice by adding water to beet powder. This can be purchased in most health food stores around the world. 7. Beet juice contains a high amount of natural sugars, however the fibre causes the body to process this sugar properly, unlike refined white sugar. 8. It is a rich source of nutrients including potassium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, calcium, vitamins A, B and C. 9. Beets have been shown to balance pH levels of the blood, which naturally helps the immune system to protect itself from invaders and infections. 10. It is recommended to take 1 glass of beetroot juice spread out throughout the day for the best effects. This can be mixed with carrot and apple juice to produce ABC juice. 11. Men who suffer with erectile dysfunction may find that drinking this juice helps them to gain erections, as blood flow is increased. 12. The high concentration of antioxidants and minerals prevents free radical damage in the body and slows down the effects of aging on the organs and skin. 13. When purchasing beets to make your juice, look for organic produce which has not been grown using chemical pesticides for the best possible health benefits. 14. Beets come in different colours, the most common being purple, but you may also find alternatives such as yellow or red. 15. To learn more about healthy juices and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.